Different crypto projects have entered the cryptocurrency space, with some having super utilities, such as XRP, Cardano, and Ethereum. While others, like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, are a bit community-driven, their value proposition is primarily based on market sentiment and as a store of value. On the weekly chart, we're sensing a buy signal on the horizon. XRP is looking to be on the run for a lower low, given the fact that the price of this digital asset is still in a downtrend. Following a price bounce from the primary resistance zone at 70 cents, the cost of XRP goes even further down to reach the current support level at 55 cents. However, XRP's price could rise to more extraordinary highs, reaching $3.50 if the price of this asset sustains the critical support level. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find the link for that in the video description. And now, you can also support us on Patreon, so be sure to check out the links in the description and pinned comment. XRP continues to go down, just as the rest of the market encounters a significant downtrend that's seen the price of the Ripple coin trading just below the 60-cent support zone. This support won't hold for long from the look of things, as XRP is likely to fall to the next support level at 55 cents. Nonetheless, we may have a downswing towards the 50-week moving average that resides within the support mentioned earlier before this buy signal could be validated. In the event of another breakout that would lead to an upswing, we could see XRP testing the second significant resistance level at 67 cents. However, a breakdown to the 62 cents and a half pivot level would play the first major support level, which we expect to see at 60.5 cents. Watching closely from a weekly perspective and barring another extended sell-off, the interaction between the 61 cents and the 50-week moving average could potentially see us targeting the 54 cents margin at the close of a decisive downstream below that point. However, a close below this level should get XRP keeping out of the second significant support level at 57 cents. If XRP manages to sustain above the 61 cent support zone and the 50-week moving average, we could hit the 80 cents margin, and from there upwards until we reach our target of $3 to $4 before the year runs out. Taking a close look at the technical indicators, with the predominant pattern still the head and shoulders pattern that's been letting out a target of $3.50, we still have a lot of validation to do before seeing that happening. At this juncture, we have the first primary support level at 60 cents, the pivot level at 62 cents, the first significant resistance level at 65 cents, a 23.6 fib retracement at 85 cents, another 38.2 fib retracement at $1.06, and last but not least, a 62% fib retracement level at $1.40. If we continue to experience a downward trend, we go even further to touch the 200-week moving average, and in the worst-case scenario, that should see XRP losing its momentum, which could take us down the board around 30 cents, invalidating the validation we've long sought after. But if the price of XRP sustains above the 61 cents margin and the 50-week moving average, then we could probably be registering a rebound. Given the recent rumors regarding Apple looking to get involved with the crypto space, the company plans to get their hands on some Bitcoin. A handful of crypto analysts and enthusiasts alike had hinted about the Fortune 500 company getting involved with Bitcoin for the first time since the introduction of this digital asset. Although this is all but speculation at this point. But if it does go through, rest assured we might be having that rebound we've all been talking about throughout the entire crypto space. If the news does pull through and is significant enough to produce higher highs, we might see the overall digital asset class entering a pre-bullish run much sooner than we would expect. For now, all we can do is hope that XRP continues to hold on to the 50-week moving average above the 61 cents price margin. Otherwise, we should expect another correction to the 44 cents level on a much broader time frame for XRP. From a much shorter time perspective, the trend for XRP is pretty much the same from the past week. However, it's somewhat surprising to see XRP showing more resilience than Ethereum or many other altcoins. XRP only went under by about 6% in the recent downtrend, whereas Ethereum retraced by almost 10%. I know many people think that the next upswing will be manipulated and that these prices have been kept at lower levels for some reason beneficial to the whales. But I know XRP sees some significant buy-ins. And how do I know this? With the excessive release of over 1 billion XRP coins by Ripple into the market, and with the massive sales of his monthly remittances, talking about the former CTO of Ripple, Jed McCaleb, if there are no significant buy-ins, XRP would have gotten to rock bottom. But then again, the prices on these popular coin aggregating platforms, such as CoinMarketCap, could be prone to market manipulation. So we never really know what the case is. Either way, XRP is currently trading among the top 7 cryptocurrencies out on the market. Adding to that the fact that XRP isn't designed to be mined at all and has a token supply of about 100 billion coins that have been initially pre-mined, with just about 38 billion of these XRP tokens available on the market. At the same time, a bulk of the rest is stuffed in the Ripple Labs escrow wallet to be released periodically based on a predefined consensus mechanism. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is not pre-mined at all. Instead, the mining process is an ongoing procedure, hence its high energy consumption rate. The maximum supply of 21 million with a halving mechanism would ensure that the last Bitcoin is likely to be mined around the year 2140. The complexity surrounding this emerging digital asset space and its operations has led to the continued volatility of these assets, considering the market sentiments and all. Many investors and financiers who own many cryptocurrencies do so without understanding the underlying technology backing it, instead with a mindset that its intrinsic value could blow up to exponential highs the next minute. For instance, most users of Bitcoin don't know the design of its protocol has limited coin production to a fixed number of 21 million, or that cryptocurrency mining technically builds a more robust and more trustworthy network. Ripple is making waves in the blockchain world. If you ask analysts, there's no question whether Ripple is an excellent investment. As we said earlier, it uses consensus ledger to perform transactions. This translates into less work for processors, fewer problems with the design, and a relatively steady transaction time. Since no one controls Bitcoin, it can easily have problems caused by third parties, and it's not really supported by any particular group of people, which means that fixing Bitcoin is impossible. Should this cryptocurrency have a powerful attack, it could be easily destroyed. Ripple has a centralized group that works on keeping its value stable and ensuring its success. This kind of backing means a lot in the world of crypto. I believe the development stage of a product affects customer satisfaction. So if the development stage was adequately carried out, customer satisfaction has been met. Otherwise, the development is said to be poor and lack customer satisfaction. So on this basis, XRP is known to give satisfaction to blockchain users because an official company with set goals developed it. While Bitcoin remains the most popular cryptocurrency, it tends to suffer from high volatility in its valuations. For instance, it rose from a level around $5,000 in March of last year, extending to a little under $30,000 by the end of December 2020. Even if its intraday price swings can be wild, it's common to see the cryptocurrency moving more than 10% in either direction within a span of a few hours. This kind of short-term volatility makes Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies unsuitable for everyday use by the public. Essentially, a currency should act as a medium of monetary exchange and a mode of storage of economic value, and its value should remain relatively stable over longer time horizons. Users will refrain from adopting it if they're not sure of its purchasing power tomorrow. When XRP does appear into the 50 fib at 64.7 cents, we should be expecting to register a higher high there to continue with the slow and steady uptrend. So if we see a significant downtrend or a certain amount of dumping on Bitcoin to below $25,000, then everything is likely to fall apart. But in general, XRP is showing a lot of strength compared to Ethereum, which is super exciting. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Be sure to check out our free Discord group, and now you can also support us on Patreon. Links for both are available in the video description and the pinned comment. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know, and we'll see you next time.
Hollywood person.